Starting your business? Congrats! Now a big decision looms. LLC or corporation. Both offer limited liability, protecting your personal assets. But the key difference is taxation. An LLC or limited liability company is simpler. It's like a pass-through entity. You pay taxes on your business profits on your personal income tax return, avoiding double taxation. This makes them great for startups and small businesses. A corporation is a separate legal entity. This means double taxation. The corporation pays taxes on its profits and then you pay taxes on the dividends you receive. Corporations are often preferred by investors and those seeking to raise significant capital. Think of it in this way. LLCs are like driving a car, easier to maneuver, simpler to maintain. Corporations are like flying a plane, more complex but can take you further. So the key takeaways are LLCs are generally easier and more tax efficient for small businesses. Corporations are better suited for larger companies with investors or those seeking significant growth. A quick disclaimer, this is a simplified overview. You need to consult with a tax professional or attorney for a professional advice on the best structure for your specific business needs.